Once you've got your YouTube channel set up, you'll want to go ahead and customize it a little bit. So we can see here on the homepage for my channel, we've got a series of playlists on the homepage. So we've got one about Microsoft Dynamics portals, one about Voice of the Customer, and so on. And then at the bottom, we've got some recommended Dynamics 365 related channels. So if we click on Customize Channel, and then from here we can see that we're now in an edit mode where we can make some changes. So we can see here there's the playlist for the portals, one for Voice of the Customer, and so on. If I go down to the bottom, you'll see that there's a plus sign to add a section. So now we can determine, well, what type of content do we want to add? Popular uploads, liked videos, and so on. If you're doing live streaming, you can add that. Any playlists, single playlists, channels, subscriptions, and so on. So if I wanted to add a single playlist, for example, I'm then deciding, do I want it to be a horizontal row or a vertical list? So if I pick vertical list, my playlist specifically, and then I'll be able to see the playlist that I've got. So if I set it for Microsoft Dynamics portals, there is the preview of what it will look like, and then I can click done. Now I've got a new section at the bottom. So if I now at the top here say, instead of viewing it as myself because I'm in the edit mode, I want to view it as, let's say, a returning subscriber, then I can look at it and see and scroll down. If someone was coming to my channel, they would now see this new section at the bottom and they'd be able to see the playlist rather than just a series of videos or having to go and hunt and search for stuff. So they can see it in a playlist specific area. So that's how you can go ahead and customize what you want it to look like. If I go back to customizing the channel, and let's say now I wanted this to be a little further at the top, I can use the arrow, which will then move it all the way up section by section. So then I can make sure that that is in the place that I want it to be. Okay. Now also what I can do is, we can see here we've got at the top, what do we want returning subscribers to see and what do we want new visitors to see. So for new visitors, I could create a channel trailer, so something that basically explains what the channel is all about. For returning subscribers, I can edit that and I can basically set up and say what is it that I want them to see, a video or a playlist and so on. So I can edit that. And I can say, actually, I want them to see the sort of the portals one. Maybe I want them to see the Voice of the Customer playlist. Or maybe I want them to see a specific video that I've uploaded. So just uploaded this one tonight, so we'll go ahead and set it as that and go ahead and save it. So now for a returning subscriber, if I go ahead and click done, and let's change this to view it again as a returning subscriber, this is now what they're going to see first of all, and then they'll scroll down and see that new playlist that I've added. So there's a little bit about how to customize your channel and make that homepage a little bit more intuitive, more interactive, more engaging, and make it easier for your subscribers to find your content.